Welcome to our guide on basic workbook operations in Microsoft Excel. You'll learn how to enter and edit data, manage rows and columns, and even hide or unhide sheets in your Excel workbook. Let's get started. First, let's talk about entering data. Click on any cell and you can type in text, numbers, or dates. For example, type sales in cell A1 or enter the number 5000 in cell B1. When you're done, press enter to move to the next cell. If you need to edit data, just double-click on the cell and it will become active. You can then modify the existing value. Alternatively, click on the cell and start typing to override the current content. Now, let's manage rows and columns. You can easily insert or delete rows and columns. To insert a row, right-click on the row number on the left, then click Insert. This will add a new row above the one you've selected. You can do the same for columns by right-clicking on the column letter at the top and selecting Insert. To delete a row or column, right-click on the row number or column letter and choose Delete. You can also adjust the height of rows and width of columns. Simply hover over the line between two rows or columns until you see the resize cursor, then click and drag to adjust. Next, let's cover copying and pasting data. You can easily copy data from one location to another. To copy a cell, select it, then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Move to the location where you want to paste the data, select the target cell, and press Ctrl+V to paste it. You can copy and paste not just within the same sheet, but also between different sheets or workbooks. Sometimes, you may want to hide a worksheet to keep certain data out of view, or maybe to simplify the interface. To hide a worksheet, right-click on the Sheet tab at the bottom of your workbook and select Hide. To unhide a sheet, right-click any Sheet tab and choose Unhide. You'll then see a list of hidden sheets. Just select the one you want to show again. You might hide sheets when working with sensitive data or large datasets you don't need to view constantly. That's it for basic workbook operations in Excel. We've covered how to enter and edit data, manage rows and columns, and even hide and unhide sheets. Thanks for watching and happy working.